Hello creative minds, you're welcome, and I am Marty and Neri. I'm making this video just to welcome you guys. I've been preparing my YouTube studio for quite some time now. That's why I had to stop doing my videos, and I want to welcome you guys. Go ahead, go to my YouTube channel right now, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And the reason I'm even sharing this video is to show you guys something that I simply did. And I've been having challenges because I had a camera, but I had a problem of light. I've tried to order lights outside of the country, but the process and the length of time, yeah, and then I kept on procrastinating that I will do this, I will do that, but I couldn't. So I just decided to go for something really cheap. And currently I'm shooting this video. I think it's about 1:12. I think it's 12 getting to 1 a.m. and the places are pretty dark, and I'm using this locally made softbox. Softbox is basically what you prepare, and then there's a light inside that shines at your face. So I'm having it now. As you can see, I'm using the front camera of my phone, and the light there is really good, and it's shining. Now let me just go ahead and then show you guys. So this is the box, this is the soft box, that is it over there. You can see how it is. It's quite just simple. So if you're a YouTube beginner and you feel like you need to know how to do something like this, you can just go ahead, leave a comment down below, then I will get back to you. I'll definitely show you tips and tricks on how to do things like that. I use just paper, glue, and then aluminium foil, and then bulbs. It's very cheap. And here on this channel, I did not even tell you guys what I'll be teaching. I'll be teaching you guys video editing, graphic designing, camera tips and tricks, and technology tips. If you want to know anything, just go ahead, comment. You can leave me a message. You can tell me that I want you to teach me how to do this. Anything. If you are facing problems with your computer, just go ahead, leave a comment, and then I'll get back to you. I'll help you. Thanks, and stay creative minds.